I'm Anil Kumar. In this video, we are going to learn how do we find angles when reciprocal trigonometric ratios are given to us. Here are 4 examples which will help us to find the solution of such questions. Determine the value of acute angle x to the nearest degree. Secant x equals to 2.567, cosecant x equals to 3.2149, cotangent x equals to 3.2589, and secant x equals to 7/5. Now on a calculator, we are given only sine, cosine and tan, and therefore sometimes it becomes difficult to find the angle when reciprocal of these primary trigonometric ratios is given to us. Now since we know that secant x is reciprocal of cos x, we could write secant x as 1 over cos x, or I could even write this as cos x equal to 1 over 2.567. Does make sense to you, right? So if secant x is given to us, we can write cos x as 1 over 2.567, and then we know what x is equal to. It is cos inverse of 1 over 2.567. Okay, so that is how we have to find it. You can set your calculator to degrees since we want to round the answer to nearest degree. Shift cos inverse 1 divided by 2.567 bracket close equals 2 gives you the angle, and in this case we get the angle as 67.07, so it could be rounded to 67 degrees, correct? So that is how you can use your calculator and find the angles when the reciprocal ratios are given to you. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. So you can now pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my suggestions. Now let's do the second one. We are given cosecant x this time, so we can begin with writing it as sine of x. So sine of x is equal to 1 over 3.2145. And therefore, we can say what is x equals to. So x is equals to sine inverse of 1 over 3.2145, right? Now we can use the calculator, and this time it is sine inverse. So shift sine inverse of 1 divided by 3.2145 equals to. We get an angle of 18.12 degrees, or just 18 degrees. So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Now let's do cotangent x, which is reciprocal of tan. So cot x can be written as, let me do it here. So we could say cot x is equal to 1 over tan x. You could also write it like this, right? Equals to 1 over tan x. Now we are given the value of 1 over tan x as 3.2589. So what is tan x equals to? Tan x is equal to 1 divided by, you can just cross multiply, right? 3.2589. And now you can say what x is. So x is equals to tan inverse of 1 over 3.2589. So let's find it. Shift tan inverse 1 divided by 3.2589 equals to 17.05, or rounded to 17 degrees, correct? So it is as simple as that. So what I'm trying to show you here is that there is no need to write this step. We could have straight away written tan x as equal to 1 over that, since cot and tangent are reciprocal ratios, correct? So the last example here is secant x is 7/5. Secant is reciprocal of cosine. So it is cos x should be equal to 5/7. And therefore, x is cos inverse of 5/7, right? So let's figure it out. So inverse of cos 5 divided by 7 equals to 44.4, which is rounded to 44 degrees, correct? So that is how you could actually calculate the angles when you are given reciprocal ratios. I hope the steps are absolutely straightforward, right? So basically, whenever you are given this, you can write straight away that x is equal to, if it is secant, secant is reciprocal of cosine, so we write cos inverse of 1 over this number, 1 over 2.567. Use calculator to find the answer. Here, x is equals to, this is inverse reciprocal of sine, right? So we'll use sine inverse of 1 over 3.2149, get the answer. Reciprocal of tan, so x equals to tan inverse of 1 over 3.2589. Perfect. So that is how easily you can always find these answers. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that will be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.